Hello, and welcome everyone to our video tutorial for Copilot4 DevOps version 5. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the new Mockup Tool in Copilot4 DevOps version 5. This intuitive tool is designed to help you create prototypes and visual designs for your application interface easily. This tool representation helps in understanding how features and components will look like to the end users. Let's get started. To get started, navigate to the Copilot4 DevOps tool. Once there, locate the Mockup tool from the main menu and click on the Mockup module. By clicking on it, you will open the Mockup workspace where all the magic happens. Here are a few options for generating your mockups. Number 1, you can select the work item to automatically generate a markup or write your own prompt. I would like to use the work item as my mockup if needed. You can also use our I read write prompt option to refine your prompt for better and more efficient results. Let's use it. You can also use the Insert Text Blocks option to add personal, shared, or system text blocks to help you generate your mockup. For more information on how to use text blocks, check out our video tutorial on text blocks. Now, let's take a look at the mockup that we have already created. You will see that we have our work item and we didn't use a prompt at this point. Let's go to the Results tab. You'll notice that the system has generated several pages based on the attributes of the work item. You can navigate through this page to see the details. Next, we'll walk you through the process of creating your very own mockup. In today's video, we'll focus on generating a markup using the selected work item. You can either write a prompt, or you don't have to. Let's just click on Generate. At this point, the system has generated a mockup based on the detailed attributes of your work item. You may see one or a few pages based on the requested input. Mockup tool allows you to easily visualize how an interface feature or component will look like or be seen by your user. Since it's a functional prototype to see users' experience, you can click on any tab on each page. Let's try this here. Next page, and so on. Users also have the ability to add additional pages by clicking on the add-on page if needed. Once satisfied, you may publish your mockup by using the Publish option. You can add it to an existing work item or a new work item. Or you can save it as an HTML file or an image by utilizing the Mockup tool. Users can effectively visualize project requirements, ensuring clarity and alignment between design and user expectations. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to watch our other videos on Copilot4 DevOps. Thank you for watching.